Hey! Go to Plugins and click on Add New. Search Enhanced WooCommerce Convertkit Integration. Install and activate it. Go to Settings page. You have to enter your Convertkit account API secret. Go to Convertkit. Copy your API secret. Paste here and save. After connecting to Convertkit account, integrate your WooCommerce store to Convertkit. Click on Integrate, and please wait for a few seconds. After successful integration, custom fields and your store tag are created in Convertkit. Click on your store tag. Your store customers will be uploaded here as subscribers. Make a new order on your site and wait for 5 minutes. Customer uploaded in Convertkit. These are the custom fields created by our plugin that gives valuable information about your store customers. As information changes, more customers will be uploaded. You can trigger bulk actions from here. Or create a new automation in Convertkit. For example, when a customer's total number of orders reaches 100. And the customer has your store tag. Then add the customer to the premium customer sequence. You can create your own automation and much more in Convertkit. Thank you.